So welcome back to the video lecturing of software engineering unit for test management. In this video lecture, we're going to discuss introducing the test specialist and the skills needed by a test specialist. So introducing the test specialist, there are testing and debugging policies in place which are available for all project personnel to access. There is a management support for these policies. Management ensure that are applied to all projects and all testers. Project involved in the project testers and employees everything. So that is ensure management that can be make ensure that are applied to the all projects. So organization has institutionalized basics black and white box methods and applied them to design and execute the test on software that is being developed and acquire, acquired and maintained. There will be stuff with the necessary skills and motivation to be responsible for test specialist. So test specialist. So maintenance and application of test policies, development and application of test related standards, and participating and requirement and design and code reviews, test planning, test design, test execution, test measurement, test monitoring. Test monitoring means task schedule and cost, etc. Test defect tracking and maintaining the defect repository, and acquisition of test tools and equipments, identifying and applying new testing technology, tools and methodology, mentoring and training of new test personnels, and test reporting. And the staff members of the such a group are called test specialist or test engineer. Tester does not repair code. So these are the necessary skill and motivate to be responsible for specialist of software testing. So and next, skills needed by a test specialist. So on the personal and managerial level, at test person specialist must have organizational and planning skill. So how to behave in organizational, how to interact with the colleagues. So that skills we must having the need communications, etc., and planning skills. So we have a planning. Today I'm going to do this kind of activities, make a schedule and complete a task or something. Self planning is a must have. And the next one is the ability to keep track of and pay attention to details. So we are able to keep tracking of around what are the related our testing task, what are the things is or we are talking, or persons are talking, managers are talking, we discuss about that, keep tracking from start to end. We always in the able to keep tracking to pay attention to the details. And next one is a determinations to discover and solving problems. So basically we having the some technically solving problems you must have. Before we having the some technically knowledge you must having. And the next one, ability to work with others and be able to resolve the conflicts. So work with others friendly, using the friendly manner to work with others to and resolve the conflicts and getting the more detailed, and able to mentor and train others also. So if you go, if you on one of the stage, if you want to the make a going to the specialist of stage, you can mentoring and training the other beginners or something in your team, and able to work with the user and clients also. Strong written and oral communication you must have, and able to work in the variety of environment, and ability to think creativity and innovative manner. So this is the skills need by test specialist. And on the technical level, tester need to be have on an education that includes an understanding of general software engineering principles and practice and methodology you must have, and strong coding skills and understanding of the code structure and behavior, good understanding of testing principles and practice, good understanding of basic testing strategies, methods and techniques, ability and experience to plan, design, execute the test cases and test procedures on the multiple levels, unit integrations, etc. Etc. testing, and knowledge of process issues and knowledge of how network, database and operating system are organized and how they work. So these technical wise skills must have to need for have for the test specialist also. So personal and managerial levels skills also they need, and technical level skills are they need. So these are skills is lead to the test specialist, tester, beginner test to the test specialist. Actually, the tester requirement, what are the requirement? Personal and managerial skills, organizational planning, track and pay attention. So already we discussed this in this is technically skilled. So the tester must have this kind of things, improve this, learn and improve this kind of things. He must having to become a test specialist.